What's up, guys? It's Saturday, February 22nd. Getting down to the yard today with the reel mower to take the grass down as low as I can. Not really a scalp. You'll hear of people scalping their lawn, but really that should be where you're getting down to almost the dirt level, right down to the soil, allowing your grass to come back and start growing once the warm weather starts. But today I want to take it down as low as I possibly can with the equipment that I have, and then when it comes growing season I can maintain it just a little bit higher, but it's still pretty short, which is where I like it. So doing this can be kind of difficult if you're not working with a flat, nice, level lawn. Instead of you're hitting bumps, you're hitting little divots. That can make it real tough to get it down really low. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering why I didn't bag the clippings today. Usually you would do that in this type of early spring scalp. Fortunately, the True Cut just doesn't really have a good grass catcher or basket to catch the grass clippings. So likely what I'm going to be doing most of the year is just using the leaf blower to pile up the clippings, or even a rake to get up as much as I can. All right, people, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. And if you're new to this, just keep going. Be patient with yourself if you're still learning, or if you really want to turn your lawn into something special. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. It just takes some time, and it takes some patience with the whole process. You know, I didn't get into this all at once. It took some time to learn. It took some time to educate myself on really how to take care of it to the best of my ability and the budget that I have. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.